A hush fell. The usual hum of the engine seemed louder, more ominous. Passengers, their faces pale, gripped their armrests. Every bump, every jolt amplified the tension. A young girl, her eyes wide with fear, clutched her mother's hand. The flight attendants, their smiles long gone, strapped themselves in, their professionalism barely masking their anxiety. This wasn't turbulence. This was a fight for survival. The air crackled with unspoken dread. Outside, unseen, a drama was unfolding. The elements had conspired, whipping up a maelstrom that threatened to turn a routine flight into a tragedy. This wasn't just another landing. This was a test of courage, skill, and human resilience. In the cockpit, Captain Thompson, a veteran with nerves of steel, battled the elements. The control panel, usually a symphony of lights, now blinked with alarming urgency. Wind shear, a sudden violent change in wind speed and direction, buffeted the aircraft. The altimeter, indicating altitude, fluctuated wildly. Rain, driven by howling winds, lashed against the windshield, reducing visibility to almost zero. The radio crackled to life, the frantic voice of the control tower barely audible above the storm's fury. They were caught in a microburst, a localized downdraft with the power of a small tornado. Landing was now a perilous dance with disaster, a high-stakes gamble against nature's fury. Captain Thompson fought back, his every action honed by years of training. Hands moving with practiced precision, he adjusted the thrust, wrestling the aircraft back on course. The plane shuddered, groaning under the immense strain. Beads of sweat dripped from his brow, a testament to the immense pressure he was under. Beside him, the co-pilot, his face etched with concern, called out airspeed and altitude readings, his voice a lifeline in the storm. Every second stretched into an eternity. The runway lights, blurred and distorted by the rain, offered a fleeting beacon of hope. Captain Thompson knew that one wrong move, one miscalculation, could spell disaster. He held the lives of hundreds in his hands, their fate hanging by a thread. Then, with a final, heart-stopping lurch, the wheels touched down. The aircraft, battered but unbroken, skidded along the runway, the screech of tires a symphony of relief. Inside the cabin, cheers erupted, a collective release of tension. The young girl, her eyes shining with tears, hugged her mother tightly. They had made it. They were safe. The successful landing against all odds was a testament to the skill and courage of Captain Thompson. It was a stark reminder of the importance of rigorous training, of unwavering focus, and the extraordinary ability of humans to rise to the occasion, even in the face of unimaginable danger. For on that day, in the heart of the storm, a pilot's nightmare became a testament to human resilience.